QCLS is trending down 9.65%. This is Tuesday, the 9th of December 2025. Volume so far crossed is way above its average volume, and we have up to 5 hours before the session closes. So the line trend is very bearish. Okay, let's get a sentiment. Let's get a sentiment behind what's going on.
QCLS is seeing a modest uptick in attention as traders circle back to the stock on the heels of growing conversation about its potential role in photonic and optical computing. Momentum picked up after Martin Shkreli publicly endorsed the company, followed by news of his appointment as a strategic advisor, a move that instantly amplified visibility and pushed QCLS into the center of several trader circles. Whether people trust him or not, Shkreli has a proven ability to move retail sentiment, and that influence is showing. The community is now weighing QCLS's prospects through the lens of recent high-momentum runners, with frequent comparisons to SMX, which exploded after gaining traction in a low-float environment. Bulls see similarities: an emerging tech narrative, niche hardware focus, cross-market applicability, and a potentially small tradable float. They argue that if sentiment and volume align, QCLS could replicate a similar surge. But the other side of the conversation is more cautious. Skeptics highlight the company's checkered history, thin financial footing, dilution concerns, and the long commercialization timeline typical for frontier-level computing companies. To them, Shkreli's involvement is a double-edged sword, great for hype, but weak as a guarantee of long-term fundamentals. A major point driving interest is QCLS's connection to light solver and its laser-based photonic processing technology. Traders are excited by the idea that QCLS may be positioned at the intersection of several hot markets: crypto, where photonics could increase mining efficiency; AI, where advanced photonic architectures might accelerate certain workloads; and quantum-adjacent computing, where optical methods may offer practical near-term alternatives to full quantum systems. This has created a kind of speculative storm. Tech enthusiasts focus on the promise of photonics, the patent activity, and light solvers' breakthroughs. Momentum traders watch the chart for even subtle signs of a breakout. Skeptics warn against over-relying on endorsements and early-stage tech narratives. Optimists envision an SMX-style move if hype and volume continue to build. For now, QCLS sits in that volatile space between promise and proven traction, with enough catalysts, controversy, and tech potential to keep eyes glued to the next headline.
Trend is very bearish. Okay, so its attempt to bounce was rejected on Thursday the 4th, and this has just been contracting that expansion, and is expected to continue to do so at least up till the 24th of December. Then after that, some more consolidation. Then, based on this extrapolation, from early January, it might resume the uptrend. No guarantee that will be the case at all. Momentum is expected to continue to decline. Okay, so we have been able to break down the data we have here on its 4-hour chart, daily chart, on its daily chart. So in a very short time, obviously, given the strength it showed as of that began early this month, December 2025. In the very short, its short and intermediate moving averages are all trending, but with negative derivatives, because the stock is showing weakness. It's been showing some weakness now, but underlying trend still remains strongly, severely bearish. Okay, let's see what we have here. Yeah, this is market greed. Okay, a breakdown of the values. So this will be the base of no, this is not this is the base of the market greed. Okay, this is near the top. Okay, so what we have, probabilities of it testing some of these prices. $6 will be 65%. Okay, you get all of those values. 7.8 will be 15%. So we have been able to break down everything. So in terms of strategy, it's saying that wait for a consolidation pattern to form between 5.8 and 6.5, which is right around where it is right now. It's currently at $6.37, and then the breakout direction, then trade the breakout direction with defined risk parameters. Okay, let's see now. That's not a recommendation anyway. On its 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. The 4-hour chart is saying that yeah, it may consolidate. It may consolidate at least up till the 16th of December. Okay, and is it within the range? I think it is. Might be, yeah, slightly above the range. It says here between 6.9, 6.31 and 6.96, and we have here 5.8 and 6.5. Okay, pretty much this sort of range. The 40 period moving average is also rising to moderate any volatility, anything, any action, any direction, any direction that that might play out, bullish or bearish. So projections here are saying on this daily chart, 8.38. It is a pivotal projection. If it closes above it, it might sustain it, it might hold it. If it closes above it, it might hold. It might hold. That's what has just been suggested. No guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, here as well, momentum is expected to pick up. Short just briefly. Okay, but it may not happen. It may or may not happen. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. The stock is trending, gradually inching towards double its average 50-day volume. Okay, so see what you make of QCLS. He also got a halt. Yeah, got a halt today. Yeah, just one halt. Okay, so another thing we could do is see if QCLS, what its float is like. QCLS, let's see. Breakthrough. Okay, that was on Thursday the 4th. Nothing fresh there. Float is quite small. Not yeah, it's a low float, but not yeah, not it's a low float. Yeah. Okay, short interest 11.7. Okay, so see what you make of QCLS, and thank you very much for watching this video.